Looking for the best drone to match your budget and flying style? From beginner-friendly quadcopters to powerful 4K and 8K aerial cameras, we've picked 15 incredible drones worth your attention. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can easily check the latest price and details. Let's get ready for takeoff. Think flying a drone is difficult? The FLYVISTA Cool Mini drone proves anyone can become a pilot in minutes. Its 1080p FPV camera captures fun aerial photos while one key takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3-speed settings make every flight smooth and stress-free. With 2 batteries, 360-degree flips, and a lightweight design, it's a fantastic choice for beginners and kids. If you'd like to check it out, you'll find its link waiting in the description. Would this be your first drone or an upgrade? If you're searching for premium features without spending a fortune, this drone deserves your attention. The 2K HD adjustable camera delivers sharp aerial footage, while its foldable design makes it perfect for travel. Dual batteries provide longer flight sessions, and features like altitude hold, headless mode, gravity control, and one-touch takeoff help new pilots fly confidently. You'll find this impressive drone listed in the description below. Is this the budget-friendly camera drone you've been looking for? Sometimes the best way to learn is with a drone built for fun. The Holy Stone HS210 is compact, durable, and incredibly easy to control, making it ideal for kids and first-time flyers. 3 included batteries provide extended playtime, while altitude hold, headless mode, toss to launch, and exciting 360-degree flips keep every flight entertaining. If you want to learn more, the product link is available in the description. Who would you buy this mini drone for? Ready to step into stunning aerial photography? The Ameta S20 Lite combines a crisp 4K UHD camera with brushless motors for smoother, quieter, and more stable flights. Its foldable design, optical flow positioning, 5G FPV transmission, and up to 36 minutes of total flight time make it an outstanding value for beginners and hobbyists alike. You can quickly access this drone using the link provided in the description. Could this be your next content creation companion? What if you could fly a drone without connecting your phone? The RELIDOL PK01 features a built-in display on the controller, letting you watch live footage instantly. Its 1080p camera, gesture control, emergency stop, brushless motors, and dual batteries create a user-friendly flying experience for both kids and adults. If this unique feature caught your attention, the purchase link can be found in the description. Which feature impressed you the most? Want professional flying features without the professional learning curve? The Karuisrc GPS Drone delivers exactly that. Its built-in 4.5-inch screen lets you view live footage without using your phone, while GPS positioning, follow me, orbit mode, auto return, and EIS stabilization help create smooth cinematic shots. Lightweight, beginner-friendly, and packed with smart features, it's an excellent upgrade for aspiring creators. You'll find the purchase link waiting in the description below. Would you use this drone for travel or content creation? Longer flights mean more opportunities to capture the perfect shot, and that's where the Contixo F23 stands out. Offering up to 46 minutes of total flight time, this foldable drone includes a built-in display controller, GPS return home, follow me, waypoint flight, orbit mode, and multiple control options. Whether you're exploring landscapes or filming outdoor adventures, it delivers an enjoyable flying experience. If you're interested, the direct product link is available in the description. Which smart flight mode would you try first? If you're ready to step into serious aerial photography, the Potensic Atom SE is a fantastic choice. Equipped with a stabilized 4K camera, dual GPS positioning, brushless motors, and an impressive 4-kilometer transmission range, it delivers smooth, professional-looking footage. Up to 62 minutes of combined flight time gives you plenty of opportunities to capture incredible views. You can check today's price through the link included in the description. Is this the drone that matches your photography goals? Imagine capturing cinematic videos without touching a controller. The HOVERAir X1 makes it possible with intelligent self-flying technology and advanced subject tracking. Simply launch it from your palm, choose an automatic flight mode, and let it handle the rest. With HDR video, multiple autonomous flight paths, and an ultra-portable design, It's perfect for travelers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts. You'll find this innovative drone linked in the description below. Could you see yourself using hands-free aerial filming? When it comes to trusted drone brands, DJI continues to raise the standard. The DJI Mini 4K combines stunning 4K video, a professional 3-axis gimbal, up to 31 minutes of flight time, 10-kilometer video transmission, and intelligent quickshots that make cinematic footage incredibly easy to create. Lightweight and beginner-friendly, it's one of the smartest investments for anyone serious about aerial content. If you want to learn more, its Amazon link is waiting in the description. Would this be your top pick from today's list? If you're aiming for professional quality aerial footage without stepping into ultra-premium pricing, the Bwine F7GB2 deserves a closer look. Its 6K photo capability, stabilized 4K video, 3-axis brushless gimbal, and advanced GPS flight modes help capture incredibly smooth content. With an outstanding 70 minutes of total flight time and a 10,000-foot transmission range, it's built for serious creators and adventurous pilots alike. You'll find the product waiting through the link in the description. Could this become your go-to drone for cinematic filming? Looking for flagship-level features in a lightweight package? The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More combo delivers impressive performance with an 8K photo camera, stabilized 4K HDR video, AI tracking, AI night shot, vertical shooting, and an advanced touchscreen controller that doesn't require a phone. 3 batteries provide an incredible 96 minutes of total flight time, making it perfect for long shooting sessions. You can explore this powerhouse using the link available in the description. Which feature stands out to you the most? When endurance meets professional imaging, you get the Bwine F7GB2 Pro. Featuring a stabilized 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS intelligent flight modes, and an impressive 75-minute total flight time. This drone is built for photographers, travelers, and outdoor explorers. Its long-range transmission and beginner mode allow both new and experienced pilots to fly with confidence. If this drone matches your needs, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. Would you choose this over other long-range drones? This isn't just another drone. It's a completely different flying experience. The Antigravity A1 Explorer bundle records immersive 8K 360-degree video, allowing you to reframe every shot after the flight. Vision goggles create an exciting first-person flying experience, while AI auto-editing, obstacle avoidance, deep track subject tracking, and point-to-fly controls make professional content easier than ever. If you want to see everything this bundle offers, its link is available in the description. Could you imagine filming your adventures in full 360 degrees? Saving the most advanced option for last, the Antigravity A1 Infinity Bundle takes aerial filmmaking to another level. With 3 high-capacity batteries delivering up to 117 minutes of total flight time, true 8K 360-degree recording, immersive vision goggles, AI-powered editing, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and a 10-kilometer transmission range, it's designed for creators who want the ultimate drone experience. If you're ready to explore this cutting-edge technology, check the product through the description link. If budget wasn't a factor, would this be your dream drone? Those were 15 of the best drones you can buy right now, whether you're just learning to fly or you're ready to capture professional quality aerial footage. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can compare prices and choose the perfect one for your needs. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone earned the top spot on your wish list. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.